beautiful people of the world. Great new video for you guys today. And if you are brand new here, my name is Jordan over here at Driftly, your performance marketing agency online, giving you the latest and greatest tips from everything PPC, CRO, CRM, with the main gauge and goal of giving your company or company you're working for the most revenue as possible, whether you are a SaaS company, lead generation that just needs people in the funnel, e-commerce brand, all that good stuff. So our goal here is just going through some of the clients we're working on in the back end and sort of our findings and giving you details, what we're doing that's working and things that aren't working, because obviously things aren't perfect. Always have to test things out. Sometimes it works out and gets you a lot of money, or sometimes things just flop and ends up being what you don't want it to be. So today's topic is an overview of Google lead form ads, how you can utilize them and sort of use them as a way to fill up your sales pipeline for your sales team. And to be honest, this is a campaign type that I don't use too often. Not a lot of people talk about this campaign type, and I can honestly see why. Obviously, some of the main ways that people make revenue within PPC is either through acquiring leads or making people go over to your website to buy a product. Those are the two different types or two main sectors of people, to gain revenue through PPC. And this route right here, you're doing so by filling up your sales pipeline with leads or prospects to give to your sales team so that they can have a sort of book of business to work through to close those and make your company revenue. So historically, way back in the day, in the history books, if you think about a website and what the initial build was, it was a homepage, a little bit about a business, as well as a contact us page where if someone was interested in your services, you would go to that contact us page, fill out your information, your first name, last name, email, anything else like that, and it would send that information over to the responding person, they would obviously talk to you, communicate, and sort of figure out the best way of helping you in solving any problems or things like that from a service perspective. Even then, people still sort of have the same makeup now. Obviously, websites look way better now. There's lots of information on a website, obviously a homepage, your products that are featured on that page, the services that your company has, and there is still a contact us page where if you would like to inquire about a service, you definitely go to that contact us page and go ahead and get the info on how all that works. So in the past couple of years, a term has sort of grown out of this, which is conversion rate optimization. And essentially, if your current website actually has a 1% conversion rate, if you can do some things from a design perspective or copy perspective or sort of rearrange things, you can actually improve your conversion rate with the same exact money. So let's say you're spending $1,000 and have a 1% conversion rate and you're getting 100 leads. If you can actually improve your conversion rate from 1 to 2%, that actually means that with the same amount of money, $1,000, you actually now have 200 people rather than 1,000. That's how this whole thing sort of gained about, and people thought of ways to improve the user experience, that conversion rate optimization aspect of the website to help improve the amount of leads you would get. Then came the idea of having a landing page. So rather than having a website directing all the traffic to that website, users could be deterred by, there's so many options. You think you go into Costco, you're like, oh my gosh, I want a free sample of chips. I want a free sample of soups. There's so many different options that you can end up forgetting why you were even there to begin with. So the idea of a landing page was to make it a very clear offer of why you were there. Let's say the landing page goal is to get a demo. Let's say landing page goal is to have customers call you. You're having one clear goal and making that being the ideal thing that you can tell Google to optimize for this goal. So that's how all that came about in terms of improving the conversion rate optimization for your website or landing page to help improve your overall leads. That's where that idea came from. In recent years, Google actually launched, and honestly, not even just Google, but Meta as well, and even LinkedIn, but Google released a brand new campaign type, which is in essence, it's just a lead form. It is a lead form campaign type with the goal of getting as many leads as possible within the Google interface. Let's say you are I keep on using the lawn mowing example. I have no idea why, but we're gonna use it again. I'm sorry. So let's say someone's typing local lawn mowing services in Los Angeles. Someone is typing that within Google and they're scrolling down. The first thing they see is there is a local, Johnny's lawn mowing service. He obviously has his paid search ad with his headline, description, and below that, there is actually a headline that is saying, free consultation, contact us now. And when you click on that extension for that lead form, what's actually gonna pop up from that CTA is this lead form pops up, which actually asks for your first name, your last name, your email, and your phone number. And the cool thing about this is that once you type in and fill in your information within that lead form, that information from the customer that's inputting is actually sending directly to the company that is receiving that information, that could obviously from that point on use that from a sales perspective, close a deal, and obviously make money. And the cool thing about going about it this way rather than a landing page is that obviously it is a clear call to action. Someone clicks that CTA, lead form pops up, they could fill out their information, press submit, done. When you're trying to improve your conversion rate for any aspect, whether it be obviously lead forms or stuff like that, you want to make the path to pressing submit being as easy as possible. Having a lead form campaign is a great way of sort of improving that conversion rate and preventing users from sort of bouncing off the page and leaving. So this is a really cool campaign type that not a lot of people are using, not a lot of people are talking about, because you can reduce that friction and help improve your conversion rates. With that being said, again, we are always giving you the most transparent news over here at Driftlead. We typically don't do this, don't use this campaign type simply because the users here could be a little bit, hate to say it, spammy. It isn't going to be exactly what you want. Obviously, if someone's clicking the CTA, the only thing that pops up is this lead form. They have no information about what you do. Everything based off of the headline description of your ad. There's no website. They're not reading anything. We usually don't recommend this campaign type, but if you're a company that's scaling and have tried everything and are thinking of additional ways to help scale your business, this could definitely be a way of going about that. Hopefully this video was informative. Again, I am Jordan over here at Driftlead. If you have any questions or would love to test this campaign type, feel free to hit us up. We'll go ahead and give you that free action plan of how we can help you and your business scale, whether it be through lead form ads, performance max campaigns, DSA, search campaigns, all that great stuff, or even LinkedIn and Meta as well. But if any questions, feel free to hit us up. But other than that, we'll chat soon. Take care and bye.